What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best rice cookers in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you want to save some money and still get a product of decent quality, we say check out the Aroma 4-cup rice cooker, also known as the best budget rice cooker available on the market in 2022. Expensive rice cookers will surely make the perfect meal, but don't underestimate an economical and versatile rice cooker like this. We are looking at a large rice cooker with 8 cups, designed for busy families who need more versatility from their devices. This model can cook all kinds of rice, stews, steamed vegetables, and even make bakery products. The screen is simple, and the user interface is well designed so that everyone can use this rice cooker. There are 4 preset digital functions for white rice, brown rice, steam cooking, and heat retention. Fortunately, this booklet also contains instructions on how to cook barley and quinoa with this rice cooker. Therefore, if you prefer healthier cereals to white rice, you'll enjoy using this device. The disadvantage of this cooker is the lid. It tends to sometimes overflow and leak, which can be a little messy for your worktop. This certainly reflects the low price. All in all, most customers are satisfied with this affordable rice cooker because it cooks rice well. The grains have a perfect texture, and it cooks fairly quickly in about half an hour. Even brown rice comes out perfectly, and when you learn how to add the right amount of water, you'll find that it is so easy to make delicious rice with this device. We recommend letting the rice stand for at least 10 minutes after you finish, then remove it. There is also a delay timer, up to 15 hours in advance. The Aroma 4-cup rice cooker package also includes a serving spatula. And finally, we note that the product comes in the size of 8.5 by 9.25 by 9.13 inches, as well as a weight of 4 pounds. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you're looking for that top bang for the buck, we especially highlight Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker, the best value rice cooker available on the market in 2022. Hamilton Beach is known for its kitchen appliances, and this digital programmable rice cooker is another great addition to the product line. It's a relatively simple thing, quite easy to use. Preparing a complete and balanced dinner with a Hamilton Beach rice cooker and steam is as simple as putting the ingredients in a pot, turning it on, and waiting for it to cook. In addition to the perfect cooking of rice and whole grains, the integrated steam basket can also be used to steam fish, poultry, and vegetables while the rice is cooked at the bottom of the pot. With a steam basket, you can steam your favorite food. The duration of the steam function can be increased or decreased by changing the time setting. This economical rice cooker is more for individuals or small families because it is a little more compact than other devices. The product is very easy to use. It can cook very quickly at the touch of a button, and the alarm goes off when the rice is ready. Most people love how easy the machine is to use, and the fact that you can get perfectly cooked rice every time when used properly. They also appreciate the elegant look of the machine, which is perfectly suitable for use on the kitchen counter. As for the shortcomings, some users said that food cooked in a pot will burn on the bottom because there's no anti-stick coating. We have 4 different settings at our disposal for hot cereals, whole grains, white rice, and steam. Also, the heating function will keep your food warm for every perfect meal. Thanks to the steam basket, you can easily wash the rice before cooking, which achieves a fresh taste and prevents clotting. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, introducing the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker, also known as the best mid-range rice cooker available on the market in 2022. You are busy. You don't have the luxury of spending hours in the kitchen, but you'd like to make a real gourmet a break for 2? In this case, the Zojirushi model is an ideal product, as it stands out with reliability and efficiency. It offers a capacity of 3 cups, which is enough for a household of 2 or 3 people. The device stops automatically when cooking is finished, which increases the overall safety. The biggest advantage of the device lies in its compactness and easy mobility. It is equipped with anti-heat handles that allow it to move around your counter without difficulty and without risk. Even in a cramped kitchen, it is not intrusive. Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is very easy to use. You just need to add rice and water and then press switch. The lid is transparent, so it is possible to follow the cooking of your food. A steam basket is provided for fish, meat, or vegetables. Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker may not offer a lot of features, but there is one thing that most of its owners agree with. It cooks rice well and is equally effective. When you finish the preparations and eat your meal, the cleaning does not take much time. The dish is removable and non-sticky, which greatly simplifies the procedure. Zojirushi opted for a clean and universal aesthetic, a good choice in our opinion. It allows the unit to fit into any kitchen design. Also, it's necessary to note that the spatula, measuring cup, and steam basket are included in the package. The Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker comes in white and has a size of 7.5 by 9.1 by 7.5 inches, as well as a weight of 3.1 pounds. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. The next product we'll talk about in our review list is the Tiger Micom 5.5 cup rice cooker, which deservedly won the silver medal and the title of runner-up best rice cooker available on the market in 2022. There is nothing more convenient than a rice cooker with a basket for steam if you want a versatile device that can quickly make brown rice, healthy food, and even baby food. Tiger's 5.5 cup rice cooker cooks rice quickly in less than 30 minutes, but is super versatile and cooks other foods as well. The speed of cooking white rice is the strongest point of this cooker, as it'll not make you wait like many of the competitors. The buttons are very simple and the device is easy to use. You can't go wrong when cooking. Tiger's rice cooker has a really cool feature called sync cooking, which allows you to cook rice and other steamed food. You can prepare a nice lunch or dinner with this little rice cooker. Users are limited to the minimum and maximum cup of rice with this setting, but it's enough to cook for the average family. There are 4 cooking settings, so it's a bit limited, but if you want a good rice cooker that does a solid job, then this product is a top choice. After the appliance has finished cooking the rice, it automatically switches to the heat retention function and keeps the food warm for approximately 12 hours. That is why it is ideal for cooking overnight and preparing meals. The only drawback that users point out is that the manufacturer did not include a special alarm that includes that the cooking process is complete. You'll need to sign up to see if your food is finished cooking. But all in all, this is good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Finally, we present you with the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall rice cooker that can be found in the market in 2022. Thanks to the excellent price-quality ratio, as well as a great performance, this title deservedly went to Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy 5.5 cup premium rice cooker. This model is perfect for perfectionists, a top-tier modern kitchen appliance. At the touch of a button, it cooks beautiful, fluffy rice of restaurant quality. This rice cooker is made with the latest technology and can sense how much rice and water is in the pot and cook them accordingly. If you compare Zojirushi with its main competitor Tiger, Zojirushi cooks better rice because it gives each grain the right amount of stickiness and the rice eventually becomes softer. Zojirushi needs more time to cook rice than many other rice cookers, and we think that's the only weak point. But unlike some other models, it doesn't leave uncooked or overcooked grains, so you don't have to worry about hard rice grains cracking in your mouth. You can steam rice and other foods, as well as brown rice and other cereals. Using this rice cooker is so simple. You just need to add water and rice and let it cook for about 40 to 60 minutes, and it'll do all the work for you, delivering soft rice that the family will like. It is great for making your own meals and even sticky rice for sushi. There is a function for maintaining heat as you would expect, but this goes a step further because there is an extended button for this very function. Therefore, you can prepare rice before bed and enjoy it the next day for lunch. All in all, Zojirushi is a great family rice cooker with a compact design and LCD screen for easy operation. Made with the possibility of cooking with automatic adjustment, thanks to the fuzzy logic IC chip, which will prevent you from making mistakes when measuring rice and water even when you've already done so. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.